Guys, we're here at Navarra Beach, and as you can see, this is the beginning before Fred comes on shore. I've been out there swimming today, had some dolphins come by. The tide is definitely coming in. A lot of surfers out and about. I hope the wind noise isn't too bad. One guy out there on a paddleboard. 1, 2, looks like maybe 4 people maybe. They're really fighting against that current. Once again, we're reporting live here at Navarra Beach. And yes, I swam in this today all the way out to the end of the pier. I am Florida's toughest swimmer.